So you probably clicked on this video either because you suck at making good Instagram stories or you simply love free stuff. But either way, I got you covered. YouTube fam, what's up? DH Lifestyle here from Six Figure Influence, where I show you how to grow on social media, and today I'm giving you my top 10 Instagram story templates for free, and they look something like this. So if you like these templates, all you need to do is click the link in the description box below, enter your email address, and I'll send you an email where you can download them for free. Basically what you're gonna get is 5 image templates and 5 video templates that you can use for your next story. And if you guys happen to use it for your next story, please tag me in your story so I can see it, and use the hashtag DHLifestyleStory so I can repost it, okay? I hope you guys like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one.